Let's be real. When's the last time you cleaned your oven? If you're like me, you might not even remember. But trust me, that thing is dirtier than you think. Grease, burnt food, mystery splatters. Over time, they all build up, making your oven smoky, smelly, and less efficient. Today, I'm showing you how to deep clean your oven and bring back that fresh, just like new shine. First, pull out those racks. Pop them in your sink with hot, soapy water. If they're extra grimy, let them soak for about half an hour before you get scrubbing. Next up, make your own cleaning paste. Just half a cup of baking soda and a few splashes of water. Mix it till it's thick and spreadable. It's gentle on your oven but tough on grease. Now slather that paste all over the oven's interior. Just steer clear of the heating elements. Focus on the worst spots and don't worry if it turns brown. It means it's working. Let it sit overnight or at least 12 hours. While you wait, tackle the oven door. Vinegar and water or a glass cleaner plus a sponge will do the trick. For sticky buildup, a plastic scraper comes in handy. After the wait, grab a damp cloth and wipe out all that grime. For the really stubborn bits, use a plastic spatula. Then spray vinegar on any leftover baking soda. It'll foam up and make wiping down a breeze. Once it's all clean and dry, slide those racks back in. Instant upgrade. Bonus tip: wipe up spills as they happen and do a quick clean each month. Your future self will thank you. No time to clean? Call Bear Brothers. Cleaning at 256-633-6332 or visit www.bearbroscleaning.com for a free quote. Because your kitchen deserves to be berry clean.